Hey guys, I'm Mark. So welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. I'm making this video because of yung Ford Territory Hybrid has been making the rounds in social media, even in the mainstream media, as you know, one of the top sellers for hybrid EVs. So I want to share my experience, as I have one right here in front of me. And yeah, so this Territory Hybrid is going for 2,258 kilometers sa mileage. It's going for 2,258 kilometers of mileage. And this is my trip computer from kaninang tanghali when I went to the office. So I just started my shift. So it's a little low at 15.9. Yun yung usual city traffic kilometers per liter na nakukuha ko tuwing tanghali papunta sa office. And right now, pauwi na ako. I'm targeting 18 kilometers per liter. And yeah, so far matipid talaga. Yung fuel gauge ko almost nasa F pa din, and I've been to the office for 3 days already. So yeah, when it comes to the driving experience, at least for the past 2 months that yung pagkakakuha namin sa Ford Territory Hybrid Titanium X variant, by the way, okay naman siya so far. Although makikita mo sa comments ng mga ibang tao dyan, like the Ford Territory Hybrid Titanium X is a Chinese vehicle, na-rebadge or whatever. Yeah, nandun na tayo. Binili namin yung unit namin with that knowledge in mind, but you know, the main driving force kung bakit namin binili yung Territory Hybrid namin is the space. And I mean, reliability has been an issue with Ford, I know that, but compared to other Chinese brands, mas may presence yata sila pagdating sa mga service centers. So that's what we went for. And yeah, sa space, we have a baby coming in a few months, so we really need that space. Pagdating sa driving comfort, I'm a new driver. I just got my license January 2026, and this is my very first car. It's very easy to drive. I'm always in eco mode because I think that going eco mode is more suitable for me, as I'm not that much of a fast driver, aggressive driver. So the way I approach my driving is calm and steady, and hindi mo ako lagi namamadali. I tend to give, pagbibigay ako madalas sa mga gustong sumingit. So I don't have any ego when it comes down to it. So back to the car. And there's yung ambient lights. If you switch the light off, ang hindi yan tingnan. We still have the plastics over here pagdating sa mga sun visor. So when it comes to the upgrades naman na nalagay namin, we're not planning to add any upgrades, physical upgrades outside of the PPF and the tint. So PPF is a hot topic as well. Kasi pang mga luxury car lang daw, ba't mo daw lalagyan yung Territory Hybrid, which is 1.6 million lang daw naman, dapat daw 2 million and up or whatever. So for us, we want the protection ng PPF. I'm not sure if kita siya dyan. And then we have cats at home. Meron kami mga pusa sa labas sa garahe na mahilig magkatalon. And yeah, right from the very first day we got the car, may paw marks na kaagad ng pusa. But yeah, paglabas kasi nung sa kasa nung kotse, dinala na namin agad dun sa PPF shop dyan sa may Evangelista. And good thing we did go for that because again, right from the get-go, pagka-uwi, meron na agad Pomark sa tapat, saka sa salamin and sa bubong. And then yung tent na galing sa kasa kasi is not that good. Mainit talaga siya. So we upgraded to a 3M. I think this is super dark. Si Mrs. yung naglakad nito eh. So for siya 3M QC yung nag-install. It's a little dark for me but because I'm a new driver, pero kaya naman. Yeah, so those are the upgrades. So we're not planning to modify anything. We want to keep it stock as possible. And yeah, so pagdating naman sa instrument cluster, pagdating sa familiarity, sa una may hihirapan ka talaga. Pero yun nga, may features kasi talaga na everyday mo nga gamitin, like itong part na to, which is for the seat ventilation. I really love this feature. Yeah. And then pagdating sa Apple CarPlay, okay naman. I never had issues with it outside of, sometimes naghahang pag may dalawa kayong device na nag-switch over. So kumari ako, gamit ko yung phone, gamit ko yung CarPlay, tapos nagbalik kami ni Mrs. Medyo minsan nagkakaroon ng issue doon. And then another negative is yung sunroof, manipis lang yung cover niya dito. So pag tanghaling tapat, medyo ramdam mo talaga yung init. We haven't installed any tint dun sa sunroof. Sa sunroof niya talaga, because we were advised not to do it, but I think we will have to find a way. Even sa manual, there's a mention of what kind of tint or heat reduction that you can use for the sunroof. So yeah, we're planning to get one for that because it's very hot when it's tanghaling tapat talaga. Yeah, and then pag nag-drive ka naman, talagang may presence ka sa daan. Hindi ka basta-basta sisingitan dapat ng mga tao. Pero nasisingitan pa din kasi nga I'm a very forgiving driver. And yeah, so far 2,258 kilometers, no issues. So I'll have some periodic updates to what had been done for the car. So I can also share the experience of being a Ford owner, because they're notorious for having some issues with after sales. But for us who this is our first Ford car, and luckily the agent that assisted us sa Aeon Makati, doon namin nabili yung unit. She was very, very helpful. Yeah, even until now. Hopefully she doesn't resign para hindi mawala yung contact namin. Yeah, so expect some regular updates on a monthly basis, I think, or probably every 1,000 kilometer, because the PMS period is around yung PMS period is 10,000 kilometers or 1 year, whichever comes first. Pero I'm planning to change oil around the 5,000 mark just to be safe. Kasi medyo mas comfortable yata ako sa gano'n, kasi yung lubricant talaga yung isa sa mga big factor to extend the life of a mechanical device, right? Even though it's electric, a combination, a hybrid unit. Okay, so that's it for me. If you have any questions about the Ford Territory, there's a new model that came out already for the 2027, but it's mostly some aesthetic updates. They blacked out areas or whatever. And then there's a rumor that there's a platinum version that's coming in, which is the Taiwan variant. Haven't heard anything about it yet. I even asked the agent kasi They had a we have in-avail namin yung peace of mind check ni Ford. They offered us that nung 2,000 kilometers. Okay naman, wala namang issue, pero yun, ako sa agent ko about the 2027 model and even the Taiwan version Platinum. Wala pa naman daw yung 2027, wala naman daw masyadong pagod doon, pintura lang ng onte. Yung Taiwan variant Platinum naman, wala namang pang update about that. So if you're planning to buy one, I would still recommend this for so far because of the first 2 months. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na madali at magaan sa loob ang paggamit ng Ford Territory Hybrid. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys. Mark here and peace out muna. Bye-bye.